When life gives you cabbage, you make sauerkraut. I love me some. It's crunchy and delightfully sour. It's a great easy way to get some good probiotics into your day. Making sauerkraut is easy. Here are the things that you need. 1. Finely chopped cabbage, salt, and a clean mason jar. Place your cabbage in a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt over the cabbage and toast well. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Please note that if your cabbage is a lot, you'll need to use more than 1 teaspoon of salt. Mine was a quarter cabbage, hence why I used only 1 teaspoon of salt. After the 15 minutes are done, add some little water. Squeeze and massage your cabbage with your hands for 5 to 10 minutes. The cabbage will release a good amount of liquid during this process. Some people flavor their sauerkraut with ginger, garlic, or carrot. This is the right time to add your flavors. Once you're done with the massaging, press the cabbage down your clean mason jar. You can add any extra liquid if needed, and your cabbage will be ready for fermentation. I prefer storing mine in the refrigerator for a month or even more. You do not have to store yours in a fridge. You can also store yours at room temperature in a cupboard, but make sure that you've tightly closed the jar. And that is how easy it is to make a sauerkraut. Some of the benefits of eating this richly fermented food is: number 1, it has plenty of vitamin C. Actually, it is the number 1 source of vitamin C. The second thing is it is packed with probiotics that improve your overall gut health. It is an excellent food to aid in digestion. The third thing is it increases or boosts your immune system, amongst other functions. Some of the ways that I enjoy my sauerkraut is with a fruit salad or a sandwich, or make it a side to my main meals. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one.